How to fix sound problem on your line app. Welcome everybody. Today I will show you how to fix sound problem on your line. Let's do it. You have to open first your settings of your device. Go click on apps option, search for line and click. Scroll here this list, click add storage, click right now clear cache and directly back. Click on force stop and click OK. Go directly now to Play Store or App Store, update Line app, restart your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.